Hello everyone, it is my 12th video on vector calculus. So continuation of Gauss divergence theorem problems. Take one problem. Using Gauss divergence theorem for f is equal to x square minus yzi plus y square minus zx into j plus z square minus xy into k. Taken over the rectangular parallelepiped 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b, 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to c, to evaluate double integral of s f dot n cap into ds. Solution. So first we have to write the statement of Gauss divergence theorem. Triple integral of v divergence f into dv is equal to double integral of s f dot n cap into ds. Find divergence f. It is del dot f. Already know that del value, write as it is, dot f value. I dot I is 1 del by del x of x square minus yz plus into plus j dot j is 1 del by del y of y square minus zx. K dot k is 1 plus del by del z of z square minus xy. Differentiate with respect to x partially. X square is 2x, y and z are the constant 0. Del by del y means with respect to y partially. Y square differentiation is 2y, z and x are the constant 0. With respect to z, z square differentiation is 2z, x and y are the constant 0. Here 2 is common factor, take outside 2 into x plus y plus z. Take RHS side, triple integral of v del dot f into dv. In this problem, directly given limit x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, z varies from 0 to c. Here 2 into x plus y plus z del dot f value dz dy dx. Outer limit x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, z varies from 0 to c. First derivative with respect to z, integrating with respect to z. 2 is a constant, take outside, integral of 0 to a, integral of 0 to b, x with respect to z is xz plus y with respect to z is yz plus z with respect to z is z square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to c dy into dx. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit in z function. Xc plus yc plus z is c square divided by 2 into dy into dx. Next derivative integrating with respect to y. Xc constant with respect to y is y plus c into y integration is y square divided by 2 plus c square by 2 is a constant with respect to y is y between the limits 0 to b with respect to x. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit xc into apply upper limit b plus y is b square by 2 into c plus c square by 2 into y is b. Minus of lower limit in y term, so becomes 0 with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x, cb constant, write as it is x square by 2. B square by 2 is a constant, constant with respect to x is x plus bc square by 2 is a constant, constant with respect to x is x between the limits 0 to a. Apply upper limit x is a square bc by 2 plus x is ab square c by 2 plus x is abc square divided by 2. Minus of lower limit is 0. In all the terms, ABC divided by 2 is a common factor. Take outside 2 into ABC by 2, remaining A plus B plus C. 2 to get cancelled, we get ABC into A plus B plus C. that is double integral of s f dot n cap into ds is abc into a plus b plus c. Take second problem. Use the divergence theorem to evaluate double integral of f dot n cap into ds over the entire surface of the region above xy plane bounded by the cone z square is equal to x square plus y square. The plane z is equal to 4, where f is equal to 4x zi plus xy z square j plus 3z into k. Here, using divergence theorem, evaluate double integral of f dot n cap into ds means using divergence theorem, triple integral of del dot f into dv is equal to double integral of f dot n cap into ds. So that's why first we find del dot f value. Substitute del value dot f value. Take dot product I dot I is 1 del by del x of 4x z. J dot j is 1 del by del y of x by z square. K dot k is 1 del by del z of 3z. Integrate derivative with respect to x differentiation 1, 1 into 4z. With respect to y differentiation 1, 1 into xz square. With respect to z differentiation 1, 1 into 3. Next we find the limits. Here given plane is a given and z is equal to 4 is given. Take z is equal to 4 in given equation. Here z is 4 square 16. It is y square is equal to 16 minus x square. First we find y limit. Y is equal to plus square root of plus or minus square root of 16 minus x square. Y varies from minus to plus square root of 16 minus x square. Next we find x limit. Take y is equal to 0 in this equation. X square plus y square is equal to 16. Take y is 0. Here x square is equal to 16. Simplify. Take square root in this side. Here plus or minus square root of 16. It is plus or minus 4. X varies from minus 4 to plus 4. And z is equal to 4 is given, so take the lower limit is z varies from 0 to 4. Here triple integral of del dot f into dv. Here triple integral, substitute del dot f and then write the limit is and the derivative dy dx dz. In previous problem, dz, dy, dx, because all the limits are constants. But here, y limit, it containing extra. So that's why first we take integrating with respect to y, we get the function of x. So next with respect to x and then take with respect to z. Here first limit y varies from minus square root of 16 minus x square to plus square root of 16 minus x square. Next limit dx, x varies from minus 4 to plus 4, z varies from 0 to 4. Here with respect to y, 4z constant. Here with respect to y is 4z plus xz square is also constant plus 3 is also constant. With respect to y is y. Between the limits minus square root of 16 minus x square to plus square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit. Here upper limit square root of 16 minus x square minus of minus lower limit. Minus into minus plus. So adding these two, 2 into square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. Next, take product. 4z into this term, xz square into this term, 3 into this term. So 2 is a constant. Take outside, so 4 to the 8. Integral of 0 to 4, x varies from minus 4 to 4, z into square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. Plus second term, take product, 2 into integral of 0 to 4, minus 4 to 4 z square x into square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. Product 2 into square root of 16 minus x square into third term 3 to the 6 constant take outside 0 to 4 minus 4 to plus 4 square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. Here second term becomes 0. Here x is an odd function, so that's why write directly 0. Simplify first and third integral. 8 into here minus a to plus a integral. Here with respect to x, the integral standard formula square root of a square minus x square into dx. That's why we can write integral of minus a to a is 2 times of 0 to a. That's why we can write this integral is 2 times of 0 to 4 z into square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz plus here also minus a to plus a. That's why we can write 2 times of 0 to 4 square root of 16 minus x square dx into dz. 16 integral of 0 to 4, 8 to the 16, z constant write as it is. Here formula square root of a square minus x square is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Here a value is 4 square, it's nothing but 16. Here a is 4. Between the limits 0 to 4 plus 6 to the 12 into integral of 0 to 4. Here also formula square root of a square minus x square expand and between the limits 0 to 4. 16 integral of 0 to 4 z into here apply upper limit x is 4, it's 4 by 2 into 16 minus x is 4 square, it's 16 minus 16 is 0. Sine inverse of x is 4 by 4 get cancelled. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus lower limit x is 0. Sine inverse of 0 is also 0 with respect to z plus 12 into integral of 0 to 4. Here upper limit x is 4 square, 16 minus 16 is 0. 4 by 4 1, sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus of lower limit is x is 0, 0 into square root is 0, x is 0, 0 by 4 is 0, sine inverse of 0 is 0. Simplify z into 8 into pi by 2 plus 12 into respect to z. Here simplify 2 4s 16 4s is 64 into pi integral of 0 to 4 z into dz plus 12 4s yeah 48 pi into integral of 0 to 4 into dz. Here 64 pi z with respect to z is z square by 2 between the limits 0 to 4. 48 pi into 1 with respect to z is z between the limits 0 to 4. Apply upper limit 4 square is 16 by 2. Here 2 8s are 64 into 8 is 5 12 pi plus z is 4. 48 4s is 192 into pi. Adding these two 704 into pi.